In this video, we will talk about the head element. And so everything will be clear, I will start off with a blank HTML file. So if I ask you now, what is the first thing you need to add to your HTML document? So you have 1 second to respond. The answer is the doc type. So let's go and add the doc type. Great. And now let's add the head element. But first, we need to add the HTML element. So let's add it here after the doc type. And now everything that you will be adding will be within this HTML element. So you have to remember that you need the doc type, then you need the HTML element. So let's remove what we have here and let's start over. So what do I need? You have 3 seconds. If your answer was the doc type and the HTML element, this was the correct answer. So let's add the doc type and let's add the HTML element. Great. And now let's move to the head element. So you might be asking yourself, why do I need the head element? Well, the head element is a container for metadata, which means data about data. I'll be honest with you, this was a little bit confusing for me when I first started learning HTML. What do they mean when they say data about data? Well, in the next video, you will have the answer to this question. So let's go back to our discussion. The title element is one of the most common HTML elements that go inside the head element. The title element is required in HTML documents and it is used to define the title of the document. So here let's type in title and here let's define a title for our web page. When I click on live preview, you can notice that the title we define in the title element is here in the browser tab. For instance, if we write something different, we have a different title here in the browser type. Also, this title displays a title for the page in search engine results. If you go to Google and type in this query, so what you see here is what the author of this website used in the title element. There are also some other elements that can go here within the head element, like the style element, the link element, and more. You will learn about these elements in the next videos to come.